Awesome. So welcome. Today is July 12th. Yeah, July 12th, 2024. And this morning we had PPI, which is Producer Price Index, which is the change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers. And why do traders care? Traders care because it's a leading indicator of consumer inflation. When producers charge more for goods and services, the higher costs are usually passed on to the consumer. So we had that this morning, and that resulted a positive news to the dollar, which caused the dollar to shoot up, and gold shot down. As we can see here, gold shot down. You can see here on this bearish candle at 5:30 this morning, Arizona time. We had this bearish candle. Okay, it was consolidating. London session market was consolidating a little bit, it was trending down, and then started consolidate before news and it tanked. And now it's shooting back up. Overall, we are still on a uptrend. We have the blue microtrend arrow on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, and 1 minute. The reason why you see a red microtrend arrow on the 5 minute because we are seeing a pullback to the upside. I'm sorry, we're seeing a pullback to the downside, but now it's going to the upside. Let's see here. All right, so I'm going to move my zones here. I have my hourly zone marked up here as my resistance. It broke below my support. Move my hourly zone here to around 23.95. Six, 4. And I have my 15-minute zone here. Mark it right here. 406, 404. Boom. Delete this. I don't want too many lines. Okay, price is currently here around 2405 area. We have New York Open happening in less than 10 minutes. $6:30 all the way to 10:30. We have my red EMA above my blue because right now we are experiencing a pullback to the downside. Came back to fill this imbalance here. Remember this imbalance from yesterday's news from CPI and unemployment. We had this bullish candle here. When there's a impulsive move like this, a huge imbalance, price is going to come back down, and it did. It came back down to fill this imbalance, to liquidate And to close out this order, you guys can see here, it started to trend down to fill half of this imbalance. That's exactly what happened. So keep in mind, every time there's an imbalance, an impulsive move like this, price has to come back down to fill it up. So teníamos un imbalance aquí, porque las noticias ayer, tenía una compra aquí, porque noticias, esa vela grande es una imbalancia, porque el precio nunca vino para atrás a visitar, pero ya ayer en la noche, precio bajó y cubrió la imbalancia aquí, porque eso es también liquidez. Precio vino y bajó, lo cubrió, la mitad de esta imbalancia. So ya saben que siempre cuando hay una imbalancia así, una vela grande, el precio necesita bajar, necesita visitar otra vez esta área. Y eso que pasó. Por eso está aquí. Ahorita ahorita el precio está en un pullback, está bajando, pero obviamente estoy mirando las compras porque está dando azul aquí en mi 4 horas, azul en una hora. La única razón porque es roja aquí en los 5 minutos porque es un pullback. Está bajando temporal, pero el total está subiendo. Looking at the 1 hour, my price is still above my blue EMA, my primary EMA. I have a bullish 1 hour candle. I have 5 minutes till New York open. I want to see a break of structure to the upside. You always want to look for the next break of structure. Yeah, break of structure here. It was once a support. Or below, came back, break and retest to the downside. Now it's retesting that zone. Support became resistance. And I want to see a resistance become a support. Because I want a continuation to the upside since we're still on the uptrend. No, I'm looking for buys. Because the 4 hour and giving me a blue microtrend arrow. See, looking at the bigger picture, we see blue EMA above the red, and we have we have price above my primary EMA. I want to see from the next break of structure to the upside. Right now, we're experiencing a pullback. We have this liquidity here. This is all liquidity from all the sells from yesterday. May come back down here. If it crosses below my EMA, my primary EMA, then there's a change of market direction, but it hasn't done that yet. We have less than a minute till New York open, about 30 seconds. So New York open, now just hit. There's blue market trend arrow here. And there she goes. I'm gonna see that break of structure to the upside. My micro pivot there. You want to see a break and retest. My secondary EMA on blue is above red. It's crossing that primary EMA. My micro pivot here. I do want to see a break. Do want to see another bullish candle forming here for the buy. Micro pivot has changed. Nice. Was it a sell order or a buy? I do see a potential break and retest here. Patience is key. We have this red microtrend arrow here. However, I believe that's going to change because overall momentum is to the upside. Now the trend arrows turn blue. Strength turn blue. Just retesting that micro pivot there. It's a micro pivot line here. Seeing a break. Now it's testing that micro pivot. If price breaks below 2400, then trade is invalid. We may look for a potential buy entry around 2395 around my hourly zone. But I'm waiting for that to break a structure. The upside. So right now I'm being patient, not rushing it. I'm waiting for my confirmation to line up. We have resistance here. And now we have the resistance zone. Resistance. See, it used to be support here. Price broke below. Retest, went down. Please mute yourself and come in. Now I want to see a break of this resistance. Resistance becomes support. So going toward that 2400. And this trade is invalid. I get two bearish candles like this. This is pushing heavy. Sellers are coming into the market. But let's see if it closes below my 2400. Closes below, then trade is invalid, but it's testing that key level there at 2400. So I'm just staying patient here. If it breaks below, then trade is invalid. I'm trusting this trade to break. It's giving me that wick, so it's reacting at that key level. So ahorita estoy tomando paciencia aquí porque yo quiero que el precio quede arriba de mi zona para una compra. Ahorita está reaccionando en esta key level en 24,000. So, estoy esperando ahorita que me da una confirmación de compra. So we're seeing a hammer right now. That's a bullish hammer. This is a good sign. Let's see here. Let's see, the close is bullish. Yeah, looking at the 5 minute, we are in a pullback. We are on a pullback here. But if you look at the bigger picture, 4 hours we're still on the uptrend. You guys don't look at the bigger picture. I still have price above my primary EMA. Even though at the micro scale it's giving me selling signs, but this is more for scalping. You want to scalp? Quick 30 pip, 50 pip move, then you can look at the lower time frame. But I'm an intraday. I'm looking for 100 pips, 150 pip move. So that's why I focus on higher time frames. I want to go with the trend. So I'm waiting for that break of structure on my internal zone at around 2405. Yeah, you guys can catch a quick bag here for a sell. This could have been 50 pips right here. 2405 to 2400, that's 50 pips. The quick scalp move to the downside for a sell. But I'm not looking for that. High pips, low lot size. Low pips, high lot size. Remember that. You guys are using 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.05 lot sizes. And you gotta look for higher pips, higher pip count to really maximize your account. If you have a bigger account balance, then you can just catch a quick 30 pip, 50 pip move with a higher lot size to really capitalize. That's okay. We're all still learning. So we have a new hour coming up in about 10 minutes. A 15-minute time frame here. Let's see. I do want this 15-minute candle to finish bullish. It gives me another bullish candle. That would be great. And now it's reacting my micro pivot here. We have my micro pivot line here. It's reacting. Guys, I'm being patient here. I'm not forcing a trade. I'm not, entering a trade right now. I'm being very patient. I'm waiting to see my confirmation line up. Just because you hop on these calls and expect a quick trade. No, there's not a place for that. For trading, gotta be very patient. Follow your rules. Especially because this is intraday. It's not a scalping session. Exactly. So that way you don't blow your accounts. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. I'd rather be patient than not be patient and enter the markets and not end up not going my way. You see how there's 3 bullish candles forming now? We have these wicks forming, pushing price up, upside. I do when you see a break of structure. We have the new hour coming up in about 7 minutes, 6 minutes. I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame right now. And I'm looking at the 15-minute. But yeah, I take my trades based off the 5-minute. Right now I'm looking at the 5-minute. Yes, price right now, it reacted around 2,400, which is a key level. It never broke below 2,400, so I'm still in buy mode. I'm confident that price is going to shoot up and break above 2,405. Because we're still on an uptrend. Looking at the higher time frames, it's still giving me blue signs, buying signs. Still have a bullish hourly candle there. And price is still above my primary EMA. When price crosses below when this turns from blue to red, then yes, I'm now on a downtrend. It's a change of market direction. But price is still above my primary EMA. This will tell you the price momentum where price is heading. Overall, we're still on an uptrend. Right now, just experiencing this short-term, this pullback here. It's just a pullback. There's also liquidity. There's all money from all the sales. Now you guys see there, price now is coming up. We have the hour coming up in about 3 minutes. Do we see a break? you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. I do want to see a break and retest. Yeah, we're about to hit the new hour. Time can also play a huge role. So pay attention to the time. Market tends to react every new hour, every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Let's see. Okay, broke above. We're at the new hour. It's looking like it wants to break. Got the 15-minute. Yep. This is the 3 white soldiers there at the 15-minute. Just gonna wait for the next 5-minute candle. Looking at the 15-minute, it's giving me the three bullish candles, 3 white soldiers. Los tres soldados en los 15 minutos. Now I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to see whether it's gonna break above and close. It hasn't closed yet. It gave me that wick. Yep. That's why selling these candles are very important. Let's see if it closes above. Right now, just, liquidating right now. It's liquidating these cells. It's liquidating these cells here. And the next 5-minute candle opens up bullish, then we can enter for a buy. So I'm just waiting. Now the trend arrow went from red to blue. Blue trend arrow, blue strength arrow on a 5-minute. Look at the 15-minute. We have less than a minute till the new candle. If it opens up bearish, then just wait for it because it could be a retest. There you go, open up bullish. Boom. So we're good for that buy. Sure, at your own risk. Make sure you have a stop loss set up. Yeah, three white shoulders. Yeah, stop loss is going to be 50 pip from whatever entry. So TP1 could be 24.10, TP2 24.15, TP3 24.20. Stop loss is 50 pips from your entry. There she goes. We had that break above my internal zone around 24.05. Estamos en una compradita, es activo porque quebró arriba de mi zona y tenemos los 3 soldados aquí. Y también precio quebró. Price broke above. Give me that wick. And retested. Now you see my blue EMA above my red. It's crossing that primary EMA. Looking at the 50-minute. Got those three bullish candles at the 50-minute. So that's a buying sign. There she goes. Look at that blue microtrend arrow just popped up. Right on time. Look at that family. Sheesh. Yo, I love Impulse, man. Now I went from red to blue. You see why patience pays? Patience pays, coach. Let's go. Who's in? Let me know who's in. Let's go. Ya está activo. So just let it ride. Remember, guys, the intraday trade. Make sure you're trading at your own risk. 50, make sure you have a stop loss. Yeah, 2410 is the first CP. TP1, 2410, TP2, 2415, TP3, 2420. This is a 1 to 3 risk reward. 1 to 3. I'm about to hit TP. There she goes. When you're 15 pips or more in profit, move your stop loss to break even. Now it's a risk-free trade. But there she goes. Sheesh. Drop some sheesh in the chat box. When she pushes, she pushes. Now she's pushing. Look at that. She's about to hit TP1. Drop this in the chat. TP1 just hit 2410. Move your stop loss to break even. And now it's a risk-free trade. Sheesh. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, Josie, I see you. Move your stop loss to break even. Now it's a risk-free trade. Una vez tu stop loss a entrada porque ya estamos en profit. There she goes. Let's go. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. Pullbacks are normal. So make sure your TP1 just hit. Yes. So we just hit 50 pips in profit. Yeah, we're about to hit the 15. Yeah, we just hit the 15-minute mark. So don't be afraid of pullbacks. We could see a pullback before the continuation to the upside. Just know that's normal. This is an intraday trade, so it could take 30 minutes to an hour. But we're in profits, guys. You know, that blue microtrend arrow. Yeah, guys, we're in profits. I'll keep you guys posted in the chat. Drop some money bags if you're in profit or if you guys got some value. But this is, just how it works. You just gotta be patient. Wait for your confirmation to line up. But yeah, she's still pushing up. I love Impulse, man. Impulse is a game changer right now. But I appreciate you guys. Drop it in the chat, in the Telegram chat, that you're in profits. That more people should be on this call because they be sleeping on my call. Like, they're missing out. For those that are on my calls, you guys are getting paid. Like, I'm getting you guys paid. So let's get more people on this call. Let's promote more because everybody should be on this call. Like, there she goes. She's still pushing up. Impulse does not miss. Let's go. Yo, that's how you end the week, with a bang. It's Friday, it's payday, and we get it paid in the charts. That's how you end the week, familia. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Have a blessed weekend. Back test, study. Watch this recording. I'm gonna drop all my recordings in the that I did this week in my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys follow, subscribe on my YouTube channel at Grow with Carlos. But I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Have a blessed weekend. I'll see you guys Tuesday morning. Let's go. I'll keep you guys posted in the chat as well of how this trade is going. Let's run it up, family. Have a blessed weekend.